Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see I take heed of that warning. I move that brick from under that tire. Yes, sir. Hey, I got a warning, and it say them bricks be busting from under them tires, man, from the weight of the car. So you ain't want that joker to bust on you. So you see I moving, man. Yeah, let go.
I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily tell my car sparrow on the damn move again. Yeah, I call my sparrow cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing.
Yo. Hey, what up, YouTube, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man, because as y'all see, we back with another video. Yes, sir. Hey, we back. We about to get this LS swap harness started, man, so we can get right back on the road, man. We got to get Sparrow riding, man. Hey, if you're with me, man, hey, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Hey, you can even become a member, man. Hey, hit that join button, man, Hit that join button, man. We back. Yes, sir. Hey, I ain't even gonna hold y'all long, man. We about to get into this video, man. Like I said, man, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, Hey, let's get it. Yes, sir. As you can see, we got our LS swap wiring harness straight off eBay for $100. Yes, sir. Hey, we about to take it out the box, lay it down, you know what I mean, spread it out, man, so we can see what we're working with. Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all, we got that laid out. We got it laid out in orientation of how it's supposed to lay out from, if you're looking up top, and when I say up top, that's not starting right here, that's up there. So if you're looking at up top, that's the engine part, and back here is the part that's supposed to go inside the car. All these right here is supposed to go inside the car. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, we're gonna start familiarizing ourselves with it. Some of this stuff we gonna have to label, you know what I mean? I like to label my stuff because it's easier for me to go back, you know what I mean? And tap right back in if I need to, if it's a problem, you know what I mean? Alright, so we're gonna start right here. Y'all see we got our OBD2 port. Our green and blue for our PCM, which is drive-by wire. Y'all see our relay and fuse box. Come with fuses and relays. Right here is our tack plug. Alright. So these wires right here go inside the car. These right here hook up to your gauges. Alright. Right here, like I said, now I ain't gonna be able to name all of them. But right here, we got our transmission plug along with the VSS, the vehicle speed sensor. Alright. Y'all see we got our two fusible links. Alright. I'm not sure what that one is yet, but we know that's our oxygen sensor. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Then we're gonna go our Multec injector plugs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 on. So then you know that one in the middle control your coil pack. Alright. Same on this side. I ain't sure what that is yet. I think that's, I ain't even gonna think. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna figure it out. Another O2 sensor. Your ground for the back of the block. Then we got some more Multec injector plugs. The coil pack. I'm thinking that might be my mass airflow. Maybe. I think that's my temperature. I don't know yet. I think that's my throttle body. But yeah. Like I said, I don't know what some of them is yet, but we're gonna get the labeling. So that way we can knock this out fast. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the other ground wire right there too. But we gonna get to knocking this out fast. We gonna label all these right here that we don't know. And we gonna hook them up. Right? Let's get it. Alright, so as I said, y'all see it don't come with labels. It's an eBay harness. But what it did come with was some instructions. Alright? You wanna open your instructions up and start reading, you know what I mean? You wanna start reading because it tells you in here what each wire is and where each wire, where each plug go. You know what I mean? It even give you the color code. You know what I mean? It give you the connector, what it's connected to, the wire color, and all of that. So that's what we about to do right now. We about to go through our instruction pamphlet. We got us a Sharpie. We got us a roll of tape. So what y'all think we about to do? Y'all better go ahead and get y'all pen and pad. It's time to go to work. Let's get it.
Cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tim sun dark, you can't see.
Alright, y'all, so we gonna open our book to the first page. Y'all see is the introduction page. Alright, so what I wanted to show y'all, and I apologize for the lines on this side of the phone. I don't know what happened to my camera, but I wanted y'all to really see this right here, so that's why I left it like that right quick. But I'm gonna fix it in just a minute after I finish show y'all, go over these list of common terms. Alright, so y'all see the right here in the descriptions right here, you got all your descriptions right here. Then you usually be going by these terms right here, right? You usually hear the PCM, you usually hear the DBW, which is of course drive-by-wire. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go over these right quick. I ain't gonna go over them. I'm gonna let y'all read it because y'all was already looking at it, you know what I mean, all this time that it been on. But I'm gonna just slide the paper up, you know what I mean, so y'all can see, man. Get yourself, I don't know if you would say introduced, because some people will be introduced to it. But yeah, those are the common terms, man, that you will hear when you're doing an LS swap. You know what I mean? So we about to find this page so we can get the labeling these wires. Let's get it.
L swap cutlass. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on a damn move again. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on a damn move again. Yeah, I call my sparrow cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tim sun dark, you can't see the seats. A swap cutlass. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on a damn move again. Yeah, on a damn. Yeah, I call a sparrow, that's for sure. On a damn move again.
Yes, sir, this is what we want. Alright? I hope y'all can hear me. I got the fan on. But this is what we want right here. Y'all see it. It got the connector, what it's connected to, and the color of the wires. Y'all see we got our 8 fuel injectors. Yes, sir. So now we can just go down the list and label them. You know what I mean? Label them. Label them. And see it has the numbers on it because I think somewhere, hold up. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought it had numbers on this side. They do have a couple on for the injectors though, but yeah. But that's it right there. So we about to get the labeling. Alright? Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so like I said, we're gonna start off with connector 1. The number 1 fuel injector, which is a pink and a black wire. So alright, what I did was I labeled it injector number 1. So I'm gonna put this on injector number 1, looking for that pink and black wire. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so being that we don't y'all know what I'm trying to say, orient our wire harness to the car, starting from the front to the back, right? So if we're looking for our number 1 fuel injector, so we know what side the number 1 cylinder on, right? It's on the driver's side, right here. Alright, so let's get a little closer. Alright, let me see. It says that we were looking for our injector one, and the wire is black and pink. Alright, look like that black and pink right here. Let me see. Yeah, that black and pink. That black and pink right there. Alright, and if you still ain't sure, you can look at the other wires. See, they ain't black and pink. And then even if you go to the passenger side, they ain't black and pink. So alright, like I said, this our cylinder one anyway. So we just gonna tape that on here just like this. Just so we'll know. Alright, we got our injector one wire right there. Well, plug right there. So I'm gonna do that on everything else on here, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on after we done. Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all see, I got all the injectors labeled. All the injectors labeled. Driver side and passenger side. Alright, of course that was easy. So these is what we really want to be labeling. These, cause you can get these right here mixed up. I know, like that cam's sensor plug and all that right there. That's what we really want to be labeling. But I was just showing you that labeling these joints can be easier, man. It'd be easier when it's time to plug it in. Alright, like I said, man, I'm about to finish labeling these wires, man, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all see it? We got every wire labeled. Every wire labeled. Well, I wouldn't say every wire, but what we need to know. Y'all see it? Like, see that right there? That's our crank sensor. I really didn't even. This right here is our map sensor. See, I label it map because you got a map, a MAP, and a MAF, MAF. See the MAF right there, mass airflow. Yes, sir. And then we got our throttle body. Let me see another one. Like this one right here, our knock sensor. See, of course I didn't label these right here. We already automatically know these are O2 sensors. You know what I mean? And of course a ground, I ain't gonna label a ground. And then the only reason I really label the injectors, man, cause man, you just need a place to start. You know what I mean? You need a place to start. So once you figure out what's what, that's your place to start right there. So then the wires will just go as far as it's gonna reach, and you will know. You know what I mean? Like I didn't label the the transmission plugs, of course. But that right there, of course, you know that's your key on. All right. My bad for the fan if it's getting into the audio. But boy, hot up here. All right. So with these wires for the inside of the car, I labeled them. Alright, let me see if I can find something for y'all. They stuck together. So this right here, you got a fan number 2. With this right here, fan 1. You got the black one is your speed. The brown one is, you know, you see something on there that say your middle. MIL, there ain't nothing but your check engine light. Alright. This right here is our tach. This right here is our temperature. This right here is our oil pressure. This right here got to do with something with the park and neutral, but it don't got nothing to do with the neutral safety switch though. But it's like a park and neutral ground. This right here is our TCC lockup, brake control, and this right here is our brake wire. Yes, sir. Just like that. And it really didn't even take me 10 minutes to label them. It ain't even really take me 10 minutes. I just didn't record because I wanted to save some space. You know what I mean? There it is. Y'all know what time it is. What Gucci say? Y'all already know it's time to go to work. Yes sir. Hey, Sparrow about to be back on the road, son. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Yes sir. Sparrow about to be back on the road. Snatch all this up out you. Hey, and I'ma keep it so I can have something to practice with. You know what I mean? Especially if I have to extend some wires or something. But yeah, man, we about to clean them up. My bad for the head. Y'all ain't got no light like that. But yeah, man, I got the garage door down because as soon as I up that joker, ain't nothing but flies and skeeter coming in this joker. Straight up. But yeah, man, this where we at with it. Hey, this ain't nothing but part 2. Man, y'all stay locked, man. For real, man, we about to get to work. Straight up. Yes, sir. Like I say, man, we gotta take that out. To put that in it. Yes, sir. Sparrow about to be back on the road soon. Straight up. Straight up. Man, y'all see him. Y'all see him. ECU on the seat. Yeah. Hey, yeah, man. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. Hey, y'all see Sparrow about to come back. Oh, my bad, y'all. Let me show y'all how to cut it off. Oh, okay. There you go. Hey, that's how you do it. You gotta hit him with the Dougie. Y'all know nothing about it. That's how you wig. That's how you cut them on and off. Then you hit him with the Dougie again. Just like that right there. Hey, man, tap in, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, stay locked now. Y'all know this ain't the end. Like I say, we gotta get that right there up out there. In order to put that right there in. Hey, this 84 Cutting, man, aka Built on the Budget Junior, man. Hey, till the next one, man, y'all know what to do. Stay locked.